अर्जेंटीना और इंग्लैंड का मैच शुरू हो चुका है।
I got Jude Bellingham, I got Neymar over Ronaldo, Messi's on top.
और अभी मैच आखिरी लम्हात में दाखिल हो चुका है। इंग्लैंड के फैंस जो है ना वो बहुत डिसहार्ट हुए हैं। गाइस, आज मैं मौजूद हूँ नॉर्थ ग्रीन लूप, जहाँ पे कुछ दोस्तों ने मुझे कहा है कि आज हम मैच इधर देखते हैं। यू सेड P3 या सो मुझे अब ये पहली दफ़ा आया हूँ तो मुझे ये नहीं पता कि किस तरफ इसकी लोकेशन है, बट आई एम गोइंग टू P3। एलिवेटर में आ गया हूँ और कौन सा बटन है, P3 दबा दिया है और मैं जा रहा हूँ ये भाई P3 पे आ गया हूँ। और अब किस तरफ जाना है, डोर शायद ये है या अब ये नहीं पता कौन सा डोर है। इनसे पूछता हूँ। हेलो, विच साइड आर दे फॉर द गेम, हाउ डू वी एग्जिट?
Oh, you want to go to the green place?
यस,
Okay.
थैंक यू। अभी ये भाई मिले हैं, इनसे मैंने पूछा है कि भाई किस तरफ से जाना है, तो I parked at P1.
P1, yeah.
Yeah.
And then there's an exit on the other side.
On P1?
Yeah.
Okay, I didn't know that. Okay. But I parked at P1.
Yeah, P1.
Thank you.
Which team are you supporting?
I am with Argentina.
Argentina?
Yes.
Ooh.
What about you?
England.
England?
Yeah.
Okay, tell me, what do you think? Was it fixed?
Which one?
The Group 16 match.
I don't know. It's tough. It's tough. I
It's
don't know.
tough?
Yeah.
Yes. Was the FIFA World Cup rigid for Argentina? Is it this side?
Yeah. This.
Anything that you would like to say? I think.
I think it's sketchy.
Yeah.
Oh, that's all I got to say. Is sketchy because like Argentina's route was kind of like Belgium, all the weak teams, and then the French.
Yes.
Yeah. It
So you
felt
think
like
that it was kind of like fixed, and some of the decisions also for the penalty and.
Egypt, Argentina? Come on, man. That
Yes,
was,
that's what I'm saying.
it was
Yeah.
not like balance.
Yes.
They rejected a goal for Egypt, foul, right? Same thing happened. Mo Salah, and they went to score. They could have cancelled that, and then we'll be equal. So
Yes.
watch out.
Thank you. So your sport are with. Your sport is with.
Who am I supporting today?
Yes.
England.
England.
England is going. Argentina is going on.
ओके तो आज ख़ास तौर पे यस, आज जो है ना वो मेरा ख़ास तौर पे यहाँ पे फोकस रहेगा। ये देखें कितना खूबसूरत सेटअप है यहाँ पे, और ये है अर्जेंटीना के लिए। ये बोल रहे थे कि यहाँ पे कोई पता नहीं है कि ये जो मैच है ये फ़िक्स हुआ है, और उस तरफ जो है ना वो एग्ज़िट है जहाँ से लोग बैठे मैच देख रहे। मैं भी उस तरफ जाता हूँ। और भाई ये देखें कितनी प्यारी इन्होंने जगह बनाई हुई है। ये है नॉर्थ लूप ग्रीन, और इसमें से हीट भी आती है कि नहीं, ये सर्दियों में बड़ी ज़बरदस्त रहेगी। मुझे बड़ी पसंद है ये गैस के लिए ना, ये लकड़ियों से नहीं जलती, ये गैस से जलती है। और मैं जा रहा हूँ अभी बाहर की तरफ। ये देखें कितना प्यारा सेटअप है। हमें भाई उधर जाना है उस तरफ, ये इस तरफ। तो देखता हूँ एग्ज़िट अगर मुझे मिल जाए। अभी फ़िलहाल तो मैं पहुँचते पहुँचते जो है ना वो मुझे लगता है टाइम हो जाएगा। शायद यहाँ से है। अरे बाप रे, वाह, मुझे तो लग रहा है यहाँ पे अब मज़ीद जो है ना वो लंबी वॉक होने वाली है। देखें क्या ही ज़बरदस्त यहाँ पे उन्होंने वॉल डेकोरेशंस वगैरह की हुई हैं। लेकिन जो टीमें और जो मेरे सपोर्टर्स, मेरे साथी, वो नीचे बैठे हुए हैं। मगर मैं साथ साथ यही क्वेश्चन करूँगा कि क्या अर्जेंटीना का जो टीम है उसको फीफा ने क्या उसके लिए कोई फिक्सिंग रखी है या क्या है, उसके लिए साथ साथ लोगों से भी क्वेश्चनिंग होगी। और बाप रे, वो देखें वहाँ पे लगा हुआ है खूब रश, और देखते हैं कि कितनी आवाम है। वाह, मैच शुरू है और हमारे जो साथी हैं वो देखते हैं कि किस तरह बैठे हुए हैं। यहाँ पे रश लगा हुआ है, ये देखें। बहुत सारे दोस्त जो है ना यहाँ पे बैठे हुए हैं और इनसे मैं पूछ के देखता हूँ, मगर ये प्रिट्स की तरह पे तो रश नहीं है, लेकिन मैं पूछता हूँ कि कौन सी टीम को कौन सपोर्ट कर रहा है। तो आज अर्जेंटीना और इंग्लैंड का मैच शुरू हो चुका है और यहाँ पे कुछ सपोर्टर्स हैं, मैं उनसे पूछता हूँ कि विच टीम आर दे सपोर्टिंग। हाय, विच टीम आर यू सपोर्टिंग? England.
Yeah.
And what do you say? What do you think about the match? Was it fixed with Egypt or
Yeah, it was fraud.
it was
Yeah,
fraud?
yeah.
And what do you think about has FIFA fixed something for Argentina?
Yes, it's a script. They want Argentina to win again. It's not gonna happen though.
Yes.
No. England is
Yeah.
gonna win today.
Okay. What do you say?
Same thing.
Same thing. Yeah, because I was also today I'm asking people whether the match is rigged for Argentina or
It
not.
was. It was.
Yeah, there is controversy. There is controversy.
Yeah.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Yeah, thank you for your feedback.
Thank you.
And what is the reason that you are supporting England? Do you think that the match is fixed for Argentina or what?
I'm supporting England because I don't want Argentina to win.
Oh wow,
Yes.
I got it. तो जी जो दुश्मन का दोस्त होता है वो भी दुश्मन है. That's what they are saying. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Yeah, are you from downtown? Are you from Minneapolis?
Yeah, I'm from Minneapolis. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
I'm from suburb areas of Minneapolis.
Oh, that's cool.
Thank you.
That's
Nice
cool.
talking to you.
welcome.
Have a good one.
You too.
अभी देखते हैं जी, देखें कुछ लोगों की जो है ना वो राय मुख्तलिफ है और मेरा दोस्त यहाँ पे पहुँच चुका है जिससे मैं मिलूँगा और कहाँ है Here we go. Hello आज़ाद। ठीक ठाक, आप सुनाएं? Hello. Nice to talk to you. I already started asking people that what do they think about, what do you think about Argentina? Are you supporting Argentina?
Yeah.
आज़ाद भाई हैं जी मेरे साथ यहाँ पे. What do you think about Argentina? The group 16 match and the match with Egypt. There was some.
Oh man, don't get me started. I was watching it with primarily Egyptians, Moroccans, so we all felt like it was stolen. It was rigged.
The penalty decisions and the referee
Yeah.
giving favors.
Yeah,
some bad
that's how it
decisions.
felt. I don't know. I don't know enough about soccer to confirm if that's accurate or not, but that's how the general community was feeling.
Yes, yes. असद आप क्या कहते हैं?
There was a lot of controversy about it, and then I don't know. I'm a Messi fan. Was supporting Argentina,
Yes.
so I obviously wanted them to win, and I want to believe that it was a fair game and they were gonna win it. But then again, even if refs were involved or anything, I mean, they would just give you a little advantage. You still have to go and score the goals. Like they're not gonna score the goals for you. And then if you watch the game, you can see like how lazy Egypt became in the last 10 minutes, and they let them score the goal. So yeah, maybe there was some favoritism, but then again, you can't. If you're gonna start watching the game based on that, then you're not gonna enjoy the games.
Yeah. You know, mostly people who don't like Argentina, they don't want to let Argentina win today.
Yeah.
Because they just have something in their minds and they are supporting England today.
Yeah.
On the other hand, my team is DR Congo,
Okay.
and England is the reason why DR Congo is no longer in it. And also England, they beat Norway. I was cheering for both Congo and Norway. So on
Yes.
that hand, maybe I'm leaning towards
beat Mexico
Argentina.
too. They beat Mexico too.
And they beat Mexico, exactly. All the other teams I
wow.
was cheering for, they beat. So I feel very torn today. I'm kind of indifferent.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Let's see what happens.
Yeah, let's see.
I'll be back. I'll be just going around to ask people what do they think about Argentina and about today's match. So thank you. हाँ जी, कुछ और लोगों से भी पूछते हैं. मैं यहाँ पे देख सकता हूँ कुछ मिक्स ओपिनियन के साथ. Hi friend, what do you think about Argentina's? Do you think that FIFA has some favoritism for Argentina, or was it fixed in the Group 16 match?
Of course, you know, with that Egypt match, you see what happened. I was at work actually. Score was 2-0. I turned off the game. Yes. I look back in 2 seconds. My manager, he's tapping me on my shoulder. He knows that I'm an African team fan. Whether they Egypt, Senegal, whatever, I'm rooting for you.
Yes.
I look back, it's 2-2. I see some of the refereeing decisions. I don't know.
Yes.
It's questionable, but at the end of the day, I'm just here for the good games, you know.
Yes.
That's what
Like which team are you supporting today?
Today, I'm an England fan. This number 10 is for Jude Bellingham, not for Messi. not-
Any specific reason for supporting England?
Well, nothing much. I like watching Premier League football, so they got a lot of Premier League stars. I just like watching them, so just rooting for them today. That's about it. And I don't want to see Argentina make it through anymore.
Yes, yes, I agree with you. अभी कुछ और भी हैं जी यहाँ पे दोस्त, उनसे भी पूछते हैं कि what do they think about Argentina and England match today, because some people just think that this was fixed. Hi guys, which team are you supporting today?
Oh, we're supporting England.
England.
Team
Okay.
England.
Any specific reason for that?
Jude Bellingham.
Yeah.
Because
Yeah.
of Jude Bellingham.
Yes. And what is your opinion about Egypt and Argentina's last match?
Oh, it was.
Oh
so
my
rigged.
gosh. It
Yeah.
was rigged.
I think it was rigged.
It was.
It was rigged. I've seen like TikToks about it too.
Yes.
Messi's favorite ref is coming.
Yeah, he's repping this.
He's
game.
repping this game.
It's like
rigged.
it's England versus FIFA. Like FIFA
Yes.
Yeah.
And your sport would be with England today?
You said what?
Are you supporting England today?
I am supporting England today.
Yes.
We were supporting France, but France got eliminated.
Yes.
So now we have to go for Jude.
Yes.
Yeah.
Spain is in the final now.
Yeah.
Yes. And what is the specific reason of supporting England?
Well, I love Jude Bellingham.
Okay.
I love Jude.
Yes.
I know. I'm not wearing his jersey right now. I usually wear it. But yeah, I love Jude.
Yes.
That's why.
Thank you, thank you, thank you for your feedback. देखें जी अब पिक्चर ली जा रही है. Wow. So my page is America with Stephen. So thank you guys. Have a good one. Bye.
We love Jude.
ये चलें जी, अब और भी कुछ लोगों से पूछते हैं और ज़्यादातर की जो राय है ना वो यही है कि बहरहाल हम जो है ना वो कंट्रोवर्सी के साथ साथ कुछ आज के मैच के लिए फ़ीडबैक लेते हैं, क्योंकि ये चीज़ें तो साथ साथ चलती रहेंगी. अभी मैं इनसे भी पूछता हूँ कि आई कैन सी द हाय ब्रदर, आई कैन सी द अर्जेंटीना जर्सी. यस.
Yeah.
डू यू लाइक मेसी?
Oh yeah, hell yeah.
व्हाई?
Because I've been watching him since I was a kid.
ओके.
Yeah, from like long time.
But what about people? They are saying that the previous match was rigged.
There's never nothing rigged for Messi. He's just too good on it. They don't like that. They don't like to admit the truth. I know it hurts them that Ronaldo went home, which I wasn't supposed to say his name basically because it doesn't really matter.
Okay.
Yeah.
What would you like
I
to say?
like Messi.
Yeah. Why do you like Messi?
Yeah,
Why do you like Messi? Why?
because he's good. He have and
Eight Ballon d'Ors?
yeah.
He said he's too good. He has 8 Ballon d'Ors.
Yes. Thank you. Thank you. Have a good one. चलें जी, अब और भी कुछ दोस्तों से पूछते हैं. मैं देख रहा हूँ यहाँ पे जर्सी में और इनसे भी पूछते हैं. Hello, my friend. Which team are you supporting today?
Argentina.
Argentina.
Yeah.
Any specific reason?
Messi.
Messi.
Yeah.
Yes, that's right. Hello. I can see the jersey. Yeah.
Yes.
No need to ask.
Yeah, no.
Wow. So, other than Messi, who is your favorite?
Argentina?
Yeah. What about Ronaldo?
Probably Julian Alvarez.
What about Ronaldo? Yeah, he's retired now. Yeah. Thank you. Thank you. Have a good one. ले जी पूछते हैं. You too. Hello, my brother.
How are you doing?
What? Yeah, I'm good. What do you think about today's match?
I think England's gonna win.
England is gonna win.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, I like
You
Argentina.
like England?
Yeah, I like England. Yeah.
Okay. What about Argentina?
Argentina, I'm not that big of a fan. I'm not that big of a Messi fan. But
Okay.
they're pretty good. They're pretty good. I don't know.
But most of the people like Argentina because of Messi.
Yeah, because of Messi. But like I
Yes.
feel like most of the games they played have been like extra time. They barely win it. They're not winning it fully though.
Okay.
Yes.
Thank you.
Gotcha.
Have a good one. देखें जी
too. Have a
अभी
nice
मेरे
day.
सब्सक्राइब भी करा लिया है. You too. Thank you so much.
gotcha,
अभी मैं देखता हूँ कुछ और लोगों से भी, क्योंकि यहाँ पे देखें जो दूसरी प्लेस थी उसकी तरह तो रश नहीं है, मगर यहाँ पे एटलीस्ट लोग जो है ना वो बात करने के लिए इजीली यहाँ पे बैठे हुए हैं. और मैं इनसे पूछता हूँ कि व्हाट डू यू थिंक. हाय. हेलो. व्हिच टीम आर यू सपोर्टिंग टुडे?
England.
England? What is the specific reason?
Nothing really. Just,
Okay.
Yeah.
And people have been saying that it could be a rumor too, but about the fixation of match and favoritism for Argentina. Is that so?
Sure? I don't know.
Don't know?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, just tell me which team are you supporting?
Sorry?
Which team are you supporting? Argentina or England?
England.
England. That's all. That's all. But what do you say?
Same thing, England.
England?
Yeah.
Any specific reason?
No.
No? Just don't like Argentina? Messi?
Just for fun.
Yeah.
Just for fun. Okay. Okay. Thank you. Do check my channel America with Stephen. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you.
और देखें जी यहाँ पे लगा हुआ है लोगों का रश। यहाँ पे ग्रास के ऊपर डाल के बैठे हैं इस तरह से चादरें। और यहाँ पे एक और भी यहाँ पे फैंस हैं जिनसे मैं पूछता हूँ। हेलो, विच टीम आर यू सपोर्टिंग टुडे? विच टीम आर यू सपोर्टिंग? टीम अर्जेंटीना और इंग्लैंड?
England.
इंग्लैंड।
Yeah.
एनी स्पेसिफिक रीज़न फॉर दैट?
No.
नो? तो जी मिली जुली राय है। और देखें जी अब ये मेरे चैनल सब्सक्राइब कर रहे हैं। थैंक यू। डिड यू ऑलरेडी सब्सक्राइब? थैंक यू सो मच। और अभी हुआ है कुछ देर के लिए वक्फा और लोगों से पूछते हैं कि विच इज़ देयर फेवरेट टीम। हेलो, विच टीम आर यू सपोर्टिंग?
Argentina.
Argentina. Any
Yeah.
specific reason? Is it Messi or?
No, I just want not England.
Okay. What about you?
I think I'm going for England.
England?
I just want to see a good game.
Okay. And you?
Argentina.
Argentina.
Yeah.
Specific reason for that?
No, just
Is, has FIFA fixed the match for Argentina against?
I don't know.
No, no idea. Okay, thank you, thank you. Would you guys check my channel America with Stephen?
Will do.
Thank you, thank you. Have a good one. देखते हैं जी यहाँ पे भी इनसे भी पूछते हैं। Hello, which team are you supporting today?
England.
England. Any reason for that?
Too much favoritism towards
Oh.
Argentina.
Yes. Was it in the Group 16 match with like Argentina?
Yes, but not
with
only in
Egypt?
that match, like years ago as well.
Years ago as well. Okay. Thank you for your
Yeah,
feedback.
thank you.
Are you from Minnesota?
Yeah.
Which part?
Minneapolis.
Minneapolis. Okay. Me too. I'm from suburb areas.
From where?
Suburb.
From the suburbs?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
Thank you.
Yeah, thank you.
Have a good one. Hi friends. Nice jersey. Yeah. Are you supporting Argentina?
Yeah.
For sure. Yeah, I can see. What about you?
England.
England. Any specific reason for that?
Oh, I'm a big Argentina hater. You know.
Argentina hater.
Yeah.
What is the reason behind?
What's the
Just
reason?
give one.
Let's see. Rigged games. You know. So,
Yes,
that's
rigged games.
But it's just for the love of the game. You know.
Yes.
That's what it
And what do you say?
Argentina.
Argentina.
Yes.
A rigged game for FIFA.
Come again?
A rigged game.
Nah,
No?
not rigged, not rigged. Fair close. All fair close.
Okay, okay. Thank you. हाँ जी, अब और भी कुछ लोगों से पूछते हैं कि which team are they supporting? Hi guys, which team?
England.
England. Why?
Cause it's coming home. Cause
Okay.
I can't see Argentina like
Yeah.
double.
Don't
you know, I
don't
can't
you
do
like
that.
Messi?
Nope.
No Messi.
Ronaldo, CR7.
Yes. See. Oh wow, Messi.
We're not having that.
So what about you?
I don't watch soccer. I'm just here for the vibes.
Okay, for the vibes, yes. Just to check what is being happened here, huh?
Yeah.
What is going on? Thank you. और अब देखें जी यहाँ पे भी एक ग्रुप है जिससे मैं पूछता हूँ कि which team are they supporting? Hi guys. Hello.
Hi,
Which
what's
team
up?
are you supporting today?
England.
England.
Soccer. Bringing it home, you know?
Yeah. Any specific reason?
Anyone but Argentina. Show the back.
Yeah.
We with our Nigerians.
Argentina's the only team that can't have win the World Cup.
Okay.
Nah, Argentina. I don't have like bias to them, but like
Nah, they're rigging it. You know that. Like, I don't like.
Yes.
I don't like.
Yeah,
Yeah, you
there
gotta
are
win.
opinions about the rigging, especially.
Yeah, you gotta win
against
fair and
Egypt.
square.
Yes.
Like they already
you
won
want to
also.
win the World
Yeah.
So I would go against Argentina.
My God. My God.
Because it should be a fair play.
Yeah, fair play.
Argentina was playing AFCON half the tournament until now. They're just playing
Yes.
African teams.
Yeah, like
It was
why they
AFCON the
play-
whole time until now.
Like Cape Verde, that's the smallest country ever. Like why are they playing?
Yes.
Cape Verde, Algeria, like
Oh, sure. I'll be there. Okay. And what about you guys? Who are you supporting today?
We support England all the way.
England.
Yeah,
Okay,
had to be.
England.
Yeah.
Favorite player?
Okay, look, he's not on the team, but
Oh, Palmer. Okay. Yeah.
he should have been on him. Should have
Yes.
been him.
Yes,
I have Saka on my back right now.
Yes.
But at the end of the day, it's Declan Rice. It's gotta be.
Okay.
It's gotta be.
What about you guys?
Support for this game or the World Cup?
For the World Cup.
I actually want Spain to win, yeah.
Spain. Yeah. Spain.
I want
yes.
Spain to win, yeah.
Yeah. Okay. What do you say? Which team?
With team today, I'm going Messi in Argentina.
Argentina.
Yes,
Any
sir.
specific reason?
Yeah, because Messi's the greatest of all time.
One time. What about Ronaldo?
Ronaldo's not good, bro. Fraud. I got Saka, I got Jude Bellingham, I got Neymar over Ronaldo. Messi's on top.
On
But,
top. Yeah. What about the rigging?
Who?
The rigging of the match.
I think Argentina is just gonna blow it. I think Argentina will score 2 goals, 2-0 Argentina versus England today. That's my prediction.
Okay, that's
My
your prediction. Let's see.
Let's see.
What's your name?
Will, what's your
Will.
prediction?
I would say that it might be England.
England.
Yes.
Hey, all I'm gonna say, the GOAT never disappoints. You're about to see this half. The GOAT is gonna put on a show. Just watch. The GOAT.
Okay,
The greatest of all time.
Yes, Messi. Yeah. तो जी मेसी का बहुत बड़ा फैन है ये. तो गाइस यहाँ पे देखें रश लगा हुआ है और ये कुछ लोग और भी खड़े हुए हैं. ये इनसे पूछते हैं. He is the man. Which team are you supporting?
What's up? I'm supporting England today. I support all my African brothers. That's why England haven't made a World Cup since 1966. So today I wanted to make history. Today I have a Liverpool jersey with a LeBron collab. LeBron is an investor in Liverpool, so that's why I bought it. I thought it looked really cool.
Yes.
But yeah, that's pretty much it. Do you have any more questions, sir?
Yeah. So tell me, what do you think about the rigging of the match, like Argentina, Egypt, or
Yeah, you know,
whole
at the end of the
tournament?
day, I know FIFA favors Argentina, but if England can do its job and play how it's supposed to, they're going to win at the end of the day. I trust in them. I trust in Jude Bellingham. He scored back-to-back braces,
Let's go
the
to the
first ever
side,
player.
yes.
The first ever player since Diego Maradona to do that. He's made history. So that's
Okay.
why I have to trust in him because he's doing absolutely amazing. I think England will win today.
Yay!
Absolutely.
Thank
Absolutely.
you.
Of course, brother.
Yes. अब इनसे पूछते हैं कि ये कौन सी टीम. हेलो, which team are you supporting?
England!
England.
Yes.
Wow, heads up, because I was already saying that
Okay,
England is gonna win. So my
I think
prediction
so
is
too.
2-0. So I was saying my prediction is 2-0 for England.
I hope so. I think so
Yes,
too.
yes. Thank you.
Yes.
तो गाइस अभी कुछ खाने के लिए भी ऑर्डर कर देते हैं। यहाँ पे लगा हुआ है रश, और ये है यहाँ पे इस साइड पे बार है और उस तरफ है फूड। सो हाय, वाओ, आई लाइक द मस्टर्स।
Thank you.
So what do you have for for the food?
For food, we've got Bavarian pretzel sticks.
Okay.
We've got Latin cheese rolls, which are also called taqueños. We have a chips and dip sampler, chips and salsa, chocolate chip cookie, caramel cookie, and then my smile.
Yeah. Thank you. Which team are you supporting today?
What's that?
Which team?
Oh, I am supporting Go USA, we can do it!
Yeah! Yeah, thank you,
Thank you, friend.
लें जी, अब मैंने ले लिया है लेमन लाइम ड्रिंक। थैंक यू। You are looking good. Yes.
We like cameras.
So, I have a Bollywood dialogue for you. मूछे हो तो नत्थू लाल जैसी।
Mote who?
मूछे हो
Moche home.
तो नत्थू लाल जैसी। नत्थू
Not too.
लाल
Lal.
जैसी।
Jesse.
Yes.
Not too loud, Jesse.
Yeah, मूछे हो तो नत्थू लाल जैसी।
Mote hutu, not too loud, Jesse.
ये थैंक यू। मूछे हो तो नत्थू लाल जैसी। थैंक यू गाइस। सो अभी चलते हैं जी, फिर लगा हुआ है वहाँ पे रश, और पूछते हैं कि विच टीम आर दे सपोर्टिंग। ये थैंक यू सो मच। हेलो गाइस, विच टीम आर यू सपोर्टिंग? Okay. So, any specific reason? Do you like Messi?
Yes!
Yeah.
He's the GOAT!
We love Messi. We're
Go Messi!
Yes. Thank you guys. Yeah.
Yeah.
Who are you supporting?
England.
Can you tell by the red?
Yes.
We can still be friends though, it's okay.
Yes. Thank you.
I got some good players. I got
Wish you best of luck.
You like Messi?
Yeah, I do.
Oh yeah.
Yes.
Good luck.
Only Messi.
Congrats on the goal. Congrats on the goal. But we're coming
Thank you.
back.
Thank you. They sing?
You got Instagram? Where can we find the videos?
Oh, YouTube America with Stefan.
Okay.
How many subscribers?
Oh, 1K. Thank you. Yeah, if you want to check America with Stefan.
On Instagram?
Yes. On YouTube and Instagram both. Thank you guys.
Of course.
Yes.
Tina.
Yes. Have a good one. Bye bye. अर्जेंटीना ने भी गोल कर दिया है, और देखें यहाँ के फैंस का, यहाँ पे देखें मजा। अब देखें, ओ वाह वाह वाह, ये कांग्रेचुलेशन। Yes, you said that. So, hope for the best. वाह, देखे जी, अब जो है ना वो अभी और मजा आना शुरू हो गया है, और अभी मैच आखिरी लम्हात में दाखिल हो चुका है, और बहुत ही जबरदस्त यहाँ पे चल रहा है, क्योंकि अर्जेंटीना और इंग्लैंड अब बराबर हो चुके हैं, और अभी आखिरी मिनट्स में फैसला होगा कि कौन सी टीम फाइनल जीतेगी। मेसी देखें जी, अब जो है ना आखिरी लम्हा चल रहे हैं, और यहाँ पे लगा हुआ है अर्जेंटीना के फैंस का रश। जिधर भी देखें यहाँ पे हर तरफ जो है ना वो आपको नजर आ रही है। ये बहुत मजा आ रहा है। Congratulations! Congratulations! Yeah! Congratulations! Yeah! Messi! 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 Oh no, it was bad luck.
It's not okay.
Yes.
No.
Don't worry, it happens. It happens.
It does happen. It's fine. It's okay. It's okay.
It's okay. It's okay. Yes. I was also sporting. Yes. इंग्लैंड के फैंस जो है ना वो बहुत डिसहार्ट हुए हैं क्योंकि यहाँ पे मेसी ने अपना भाई मेसी जी रमजान भाई कांग्रेचुलेशन यस ओह नो 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 ये और आप सबसे यही दरख्वास्त है कि चैनल को लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर कीजिएगा। ये देखें यहाँ पे मेसी के लग रहे हैं वाह ये मेसी मेसी मेसी। अभी मैं एक दफ़ा जाते जाते दोबारा इनसे पूछता हूँ कि ये क्या कहते हैं ये In the final! Yeah. So what are your thoughts for the final? Who is gonna win?
Argentina. You know,
Argentina?
I think Spain and Argentina, great matchup.
Would have a good competition.
I think Argentina is going to score 3 goals. It's going to be 1-3.
Okay. What do you say?
Messi.
Messi. Yes.
Messi. Go Messi. Messi's the GOAT. I think
Yes.
it's going to be a 3-2 win Argentina. But I think it'll be a good fight. I think they're, I don't remember his name, but Yamal, something like that.
Yeah.
I think he's going to give a good fight.
Okay. Okay.
I think we got it.
Good
Though.
job,
I think
guys.
Argentina's going to go back to back.
Yes.
I think we got it.
Back-to-back champs.
My guess is Argentina.
Argentina.
Yes.
See you Sunday.
See you Sunday, guys.
Bye.